Hello, thank you so much for joining us for our virtual Harry Potter week. Today I'm going to be getting you ready for Hogwarts, but first let me introduce myself. My name is Scarlett and I work for the Branford branch of the Swanee River Regional Library System. Now this craft is going to be a cute little owl, and he's made out of a paper plate. If you signed up for our Harry Potter craft kits, you already had the materials to make this. But if not, there are a couple things you will need. First, you'll need an uncoated paper plate, markers or paint, a little bit of construction paper, some glue, and some scissors. So to start, you're going to take your paper plate and you're going to fold the sides in like this. Then you're going to take this top part here and fold it over. And that's going to make your owl's head. Alright. Make sure it's really smushed down. Alright. So now you're going to open your plate back up. And all in here you're going to decorate. So you can use paint or markers. All you need to do is this area for here because that's all you'll see once your owl is folded back up. So I'm just going to take some markers and kind of do a little pattern here for wings. And if you use paint for this part, make sure you give your paint enough time to dry before you fold your owl back. All right. So once you finish decorating, you're just going to fold your owl back up and take a little bit of glue and just glue those folded places back down. Squish. Okay. Now you can start decorating your owl's wings. So you can draw feathers or you can make them solid. This part is really up to you, how you want your owl to look. Okay. You can make your feathers really long or really short, or you can make your owl look like Hedwig, who is a snowy owl. Okay, so once you decorate your owl how you want them, then you're going to cut out your feet, eyes, beak out of the construction paper and just glue those on. All right. I'm just going to glue the feet behind the plate. And there you go. Now you're ready for Hogwarts. Be sure to check out our Facebook page all this week for more virtual Harry Potter activities. Bye.